Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome to the video. This is Magpupungko Rock Pool. In a perfect day, in a perfect weather, you can enjoy the dive like this. So the weather and the low tide must be very important. I will explain to you in a short while. If it is a bad weather, at the same time you have a high tide, you can't even access the rock pool because the water level so high, the rock pool is under the water. For the safety reason, the Coast Guard not even allow the public to swim in the beach. So whenever you want to go over there and visit the rock pool, you should check the weather. At the same time, you should go in the low tide time. Usually the low tide time 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. When I visit there, it was a very bad weather. At the same time, it's the high tide. So I sent my drone to check out the place. Look at that. This is Magpupungko Rock Pool. It is under the water. So I check everything. I went second time. See how look like low tide. You need to be careful. You wear some nice slippers because it's rocky and slippery. You need to take care of your toes. From the beach to rock pool, almost like a 300 meter. So we reach the rock pool. In the front, it is a not so deep, so the kids can swim over there. Either way, the kids supposed to wear the safety jacket. That is very important. When you go inside, it is all deep over here. This place only for adults who know swimming. So be careful. It's very deep also here. The water was crystal clear. At the same time, it is a hidden gem. There is no doubt about it. Every day have a high tide and low tide. So if it is a low tide, it will be visible. If it is high tide, you can't even see. So it is a hidden gem for a lot of people. When I see the crystal clear water, I want to jump into it. If you like this video so far, subscribe to the channel would be awesome. I enjoyed my diving over here. Finally, we had a time to swing and relax. It looks so beautiful under the water. It was a perfect weather. The sun is beaming on my face. What I doing right now, I would not recommend to anyone. This is not safe for everyone. Please do not try this. Here the waves are very high and heavy. It will punch you in the face like a rock. See, the water waves become like a white sandy powder. So white, looks very beautiful. So it begins to get a high tide. You can see that the water level rising up. Lucky enough, we came on time. We enjoyed the rock pool. That is the object to come over here to enjoy the pool. A lot of people coming over here, enjoy the swimming pool. This looks like a dream come true. Young people, they are challenging themselves. Who jump in the water first? The weather was very good. I enjoy the situation very much over here. This is the rock I dive from. The rocks are very sharp, so you need to wear a proper footwear to go over there. Otherwise, you will get injury your leg and you can walk for 2-3 days. Now the time to fly the drone. So this is the high tide, how it look like, the rock pool. It is completely under the water. At the same time, look at the waves. It is nearby the pool. This kind of high tide time, it is not that safety. That's why the Coast Guard won't allow anybody to the pool. But it's low tide, you can enjoy it. See people jumping in the water. That's why if you know swimming, you can enjoy a lot when you travel. The natural swimming pool is really beautiful. You must visit, but you need to check the weather and the low tide time. Swimming is a must for every traveler. See the water, crystal clear aqua blue. I recommend you all go and visit this place. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and comment below and subscribe. That would be awesome.